how to use your scissors. How to teach your children to use their scissors. Let me bring my scissors over here. I left them up here. So the next step is to use cardboard. So we just took a box that we have and sometimes we draw lines on the cardboard, squiggly lines and straight lines. Now, this is where the children have to learn how to hold with their helping hand. Their helping hand is the hand that holds the paper in place. You'll find that the children just don't know what to do with that hand. They seem not to know where to go. So that's a real important part of this lesson. So this helping hand guides it along, and then this scissor, the little scissor, is cutting, and you'll see that the other hand is moving along. Now, an easier way to do this is to cut out, for yourself, for your children. Make it easier for them. You cut out all the designs that you want them to have so that they have it in a smaller section. They don't have this big thing holding. So here they have one little line, and they're going to just cut a little line just like that. 1, 2, 3, see that? Just along the line. Easy. And this hand, you see how this hand is moving and it's just got Mr. Thumb is still on the top there and the other fingers are holding down? That's part of the lesson on cutting. So you take your time with that and give them space and time to do that. Give them plenty of creative exercises in doing that. The squiggly line is harder, of course, because they have to kind of move around. This is the hand that moves everything around. This guy stays stationary. So that's how you teach them. So this is the hand that moves around. This is the guiding hand. This is the one that moves around. Pretty much the scissors is what pretty much stays stationary. It just keeps cutting. So little scissors likes to cut. There we go. The next, and I'll see you at the next lesson. That would be lesson 5.